How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this mat that I got for my 2026 Model Y. So let's go ahead and unbox it, install it, and see how they are. Okay, so just want to kind of show you guys in close up, and this material is very sturdy, but on the other hand it's also soft. So you can see it's nicely molded, and the best part about this whole thing is this big mat can be folded. So if you want to store it for any reason, it's much easier to handle. Instead of having just one big piece that cannot be folded, this one can be folded. So let's go ahead and do the installation. So the wider part goes inside. Here you can see how well it fit in. It slides in, so you have enough room right here. And it's covering all this all the way till the end. Very nice, perfect fit. So under this, there's also a space, and it also comes with one mat for that. So let's go ahead and put this on. All you do is just slide it, push it down. For the frunk, we have this. All you do is pop the hood and drop this in. It's as easy. And again, perfect fit. So the back side is again very simple to put on, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Here you can see, perfect fit. The passenger side is very simple again. Here you can see, perfect fit. And the best part I like about this is there's no writings, there's nothing, no branding, and that's the best part about it because it's a nice and clean look. There you can see, again, a very clean installation, and it covers all the way back. So once you put the seat up forward, you see the final look. So with that, we are done with the mat installation, and everything on this car is covered and safe with weatherproof mats. So highly recommend, check out the link in the description below and definitely order it. I would highly recommend it. This is probably one of the best mats that I ever purchased for my cars. And they have Model 3, Model Y, Model S, you know, you name it, they have it. Please check out the link below and check out the discounted rate as well. Hopefully you guys like the video. Guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.